Today I'm going to teach you how to change your default branch from main to master in GitHub. This is a straightforward process that lets you control which branch serves as the starting point for your repository, and it's especially useful if you're working with older projects or specific workflows that require master as the default. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now, in the upper left panel, locate and click on the repository where you want to change the default branch. This will open up that specific repository, giving you access to all its files, commits, and settings. Make sure you're selecting the correct repository, as this change will affect how collaborators interact with your project. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your repository live, from access control to branch management. The Settings section is your control center for customizing how the repository operates. Within the Settings page, navigate down until you find the section labeled Default Branch. This section shows you which branch is currently set as the default for your repository. Right below where it displays the current default branch, you'll see a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to edit the default branch setting. A dialog box will appear allowing you to change the branch name. Here you'll want to change the branch name from main to master. Type in master to replace the current default branch name. Once you've entered the new branch name, click on Rename Branch to confirm the change. GitHub will process this request and update your repository's default branch accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default branch from main to master in GitHub. This change will now apply to all future pull requests and cloning operations for this repository. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.